My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I worked there a decade. When I was there, I was a teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Me and my M&M man give you a thumbs up like we do every day. My YouTubes are short, sweet, to the point. Don't waste anyone's time. I want to talk to you today about wage garnishments. IRS is just releasing a ton of wage garnishments and bank levies. As a former agent, I've issued thousands of bank levies and wage garnishments. You know, it's something IRS or I never really wanted to do. The case dictates that that be done. If a taxpayer isn't cooperating with Internal Revenue Service, you don't respond to final notices, the computer system itself generates the levy. You'd be surprised, but not a human hand touches them. They get that levy source from your tax return, your W-2, your 1099, your bank, and bingo, automatically, you don't answer that last call, that last letter, the levies come out. So what happens if you have a wage garnishment? What is really the next step? Well, you can get your next paycheck usually right away, but some employers say, no, we're gonna give it to IRS. I can usually get your wage garnishment released within, I don't know, 72 hours. If you give us a call, you can email me, whatever you want to do. There's a process, and let me tell you what the process is. IRS is trying to close your case off the IRS collection ACS system. So they have an account, the account is open, and it needs to be closed. Right now, there's about 25 million open collection cases, and IRS wants their money. It's just that simple. They want their money. So IRS is going to require a financial statement, an IRS financial statement. You can download an IRS Form 433F. Most levies come out of the Service Center. It's a two-page form, and IRS will be able to release it once they go ahead and verify that financial statement. After you fill it out, we'll get a hold of IRS. We'll get your levy released, but in the meantime, we're going to want bank statements, copies of pay stubs, and expenses. IRS wants to know what's your exit strategy on the case. 40% of all people have their cases put in non-collectible because you just don't have the money now to pay them. 6.5 million people enter into installment agreements, and about 21,000 a year enter into the offer and compromise accepted program, where you can settle your tax debt for pennies on a dollar. But really, you need a consultation to find out what program you qualify. Don't give your money to anyone unless you know you are qualified for an offer. I see so many people get ripped off. You're going to pay thousands of dollars for something you never qualified. So how I work is I get on the phone with you, I ask you some questions, and I'll know what program you qualify for. As soon as I get your financial statement and documentation, if I can get it within a day, 2 days, I call IRS, I'll probably get your wage garnishment released. So not to worry, don't panic, you'll get your money back, and more importantly, get your case closed with the IRS enforcement computers. Nice talking to you, thanks.